I just got the Satechi Type-C Pro Hub with a 4K HDMI in space gray, and it is a dock that you use to plug into your MacBook Pro to get USB inputs and card readers, and of course the 4K HDMI. And here it is. By the way, this is not a comprehensive review because I have no idea what I'm saying. Yeah, here it is, and it's made of aluminum. It's in good. It's good quality. I like it. The only problem I'm facing now is that if I place this up here, there you go, and try it on. Of course, my MacBook has the in-case casing. It does not go through, and it does not work. So for it to work, I need to remove the casing. That sucks. Anyway, yeah, it's a good item with 4K output. Might as well sell it for the dongles for now. So yeah, that's it for the Satechi. Satechi Type-C Pro Hub with 4K HDMI for the MacBook Pro. So I did a cut on my clear case to practice and made a good clean cut. Tested it and it went well. It worked. So I did a cut on my black case. Here it is, and it's a bit awful, but I tested it with a Satechi now. As you can see, it's too close. So yeah, judging by the looks of it, the light is on, so it's working. Though it's positioned that way, I don't really mind as long as it works. So there you go, mods.